The taste of sage is both bitter and pungent and wonderfully aromatic. When we see these attributes blended together in a single herb, we know it can be used to promote digestion. And sage is a wonderful carminative. It eases painful gas and bloating. It moves stagnant digestion, which is when you eat food and then it feels like you have this immobile rock just resting in your belly. And it even relieves painful intestinal cramping as well. Sage is especially helpful for people who can't digest fats well. It can be taken as a tea before or after a meal, or simply used as an herb or spice within the meal. These digestion-promoting gifts are perfect after a large meal like Thanksgiving, but are obviously wonderful any time of the year. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.